Get mowing this season with the Ion 16 LM, the completely cordless, battery-operated lawnmower from Sunjoe. Powered by the interchangeable and rechargeable 40-volt EcoSharp battery system, the Ion 16 LM delivers up to 40 minutes of whisper-quiet runtime on a single charge, with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. The Ion 16 LM has been engineered with a powerful 600-watt brushless motor for optimal performance, increased battery efficiency, and a longer motor life to keep your Ion mowing strong season after season. Starting the Ion mower is simple. First, open the battery compartment cover and slide your fully charged battery down until it locks into position. Insert the safety key into the slot and close the battery cover. Press and hold the safety button while pulling back on the bar lever, and the motor starts instantly. Equipped with an ergonomic handle, the Ion mower lets you easily tackle your entire lawn with more comfort and less fatigue. The Ion mower's compact design features a 16-inch deck with rugged front and rear all-terrain wheels for easy maneuvering in and out of tight spaces. Quickly adjust the cutting height of your grass with the 6-position height adjustment lever, which can handle short and tall grass blades from 1.18 inches up to 3.15 inches. The Ion mower collects grass clippings into a 9.25-gallon grass bag, which comes with a filling level indicator, so you'll know exactly when the bag is full. As you mow, the indicator flap remains open until the bag is completely full. When the flap closes, you'll know it's time to empty the grass bag, which conveniently detaches for easy disposal of your clippings. And when you're done mowing, the handles on the Ion 16 LM can be completely collapsed, so you can neatly store your mower without taking up much space in your garage or shed. The Ion 16 LM is backed by a full 2-year warranty and is ETL approved. Plus, the EcoSharp battery charger meets Energy Star certification. So ditch the gas, oil, noxious fumes, pull cords, and extension cords, and experience an easier and more convenient way to get your yard work done. Ion from Sunjoe. Cut the cord.
Introducing the Ego 21-inch Select Cut Lawnmower, featuring touch drive, self-propelled technology. Engineered to outperform, it features 2 major innovations. The Select Cut multi-blade cutting system is equipped with 2 interchangeable lower blades, the Edge Premium Mulching Blade and the Edge Tri-Cut Blade. The Premium Mulching Blade is ideal for weekly mowing and gives you the cut quality and runtime you expect from a high-end lawnmower. The Tri-Cut blade is a heavy-duty blade that turns grass into fine fragments, ideal for both mulching and bagging. Both the mulching and Tri-Cut blades come with the lawnmower and can be easily swapped out depending on the cut desired. The Ego Edge upper blade is fixed in place and works with the lower blade selected to slice the grass the lower blade sucks up and greatly enhance cutting performance. Ego's self-propelled touch drive technology is the result of years of research and development. Touch drive technology puts complete control of the self-propelled system in the palm of your hand, using your pressure to engage the system. Controlling the speed is just as easy with a variable speed dial positioned at your fingertips for safe and convenient operation. Ego harnesses the power of the industry's most advanced 56-volt 7.5 amp-hour arc lithium battery by delivering up to 60 minutes of cutting time on a single charge. Ego's durable construction is second to none, featuring heavy-duty aluminum handles, a double-wall composite deck, and even ball-bearing wheels. Easily adjust your deck height with a single lever from 1.5 to 4.5 inches with 7 separate increments. Bright LED headlights allow you to mow at dawn or dusk. And when the work is done, easily fold the mower flat for compact storage. The Ego 21-inch Select Cut multi-blade lawnmower featuring touch drive technology. The latest innovation from the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power equipment. Ego. Power beyond belief.